Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video also I will show you how to handle date picker or calendar. Okay. So in my previous video I showed you how to automate this calendar to pick the current date. Okay. So in this video I will show you how to select the year, month or date based on the user input. Okay. Okay, so I'll use the same spec file. So now I will create three variables, okay, to keep year, month, and date. Okay, so const, the first one is target year. The target year I want to click on it. Okay, so I want to click on 2026, and the next one is target month. Okay, so target month is I want May, and the last one is day, target day. Const target day, so day I want to select is second. Okay, so now I will use while loop. Okay, I'll tell you why. Okay, so while is an infinite loop. It means it runs continuously until the condition inside the loop is checked out fine or it meets the condition. So here what is the condition? The condition is, see, this is our calendar. When we click on it, it opens. Okay, so what I want it should select the year 2016. Okay, that is the condition. It will keep on checking the next button until it gets the 2016. Then it stops. Then again it will check for the month. Okay, so the month I want is May. Then here it compares. This is not the May month, so it will keep on clicking the next button. Okay, so once it finds the May, then it will select the day. Okay, so this is what the condition. Okay, so until it matches with the condition it will be running. Okay, so that is why we are using while loop. Okay. Okay, so now let us let us inspect the year first. Okay. Okay, so we have class. Okay, it is yeah, let us check once. Okay, one element is matching. Let me copy this. First I will I will take the year, then I will use another loop to select the month. Okay, so const, I will say, sorry, const displayed year text. So this is what we are getting from the application. Okay, so await frame dot locator. So this is all inside the frame. So it is class. So what I want to get the text dot text content. So I will get the text and I will say logical, use logical or operator, and I will say it should be 0. Okay, so why? Because if we do not get any text content here, it will assume it is 0. Okay, why? Because in the next step I'm converting this string into a integer. Okay, so in that step it should not fail. Okay, so const displayed year is equal to, so I'm converting into integer. So for that I'm using a method that is parseInt. So what I'm converting this display text. Okay. Okay, so let us use console.log and see. Okay, please ignore my background noise. Okay, so let us execute this, or let us not do this because it is while loop. Okay, so let us read the complete condition. Okay. Okay, so what we got the year. The year is 2025. Okay, so now let us put if condition here. Okay, so what is the if condition? If what we want to check, if this displayed year, okay, so this year we got from the application, if it is equal to this target year, this is our expected year, correct? If it is equal to this, then do not run the loop, just break. I'm saying if it is equal, no need to run the while loop. Okay, just break this because here the year is 2025 and the application is also giving 2025 and I want to click on the 2025 year. Okay, so no need to continue with the loop. Okay, so I'm saying break. Okay, so now I'll use another if. Okay, so if the displayed year is less than the target year, less than the target year, if one second, if displayed year is less than the targeted year, so displayed year is 2025 and targeted year is 2016. Okay, so in this case what it should do, it should click on the next button. Okay, so let us inspect this. Let's next button. Okay, this is a class, let me confirm. It has two classes. I'll take the first one. Yeah, one element is matching. I'm copying it. Okay, so if it is less, then I'm saying await frame dot, not page. Okay, frame dot locator. This is the locator. Click on it. I'm saying click on it. Okay, else, what is the else condition? Else condition is click on the previous button. If it is less, then click on the next button, you will get 2026. If it is, if it is, I mean if it is greater than that, if year, suppose if the year is more than that, then go to the previous button. Okay, so let us inspect this. So this is the icon. Okay, one element is matching. Else await frame dot locator, click on the previous button, dot click. Okay, so this is to select the year. So using this we got the year. Okay, so now let us write the same thing to select the month. Okay, so for that also let us use while loop, while true, because until it gets the required month it should be checking. Okay, so let us create a variable to fetch the month. Displayed month, displayed month is equal to await frame dot locator. Okay, so frame dot locator dot text content, because we want to get the text of it. So let us inspect the month element. Okay, so we have a class. Okay, I'm taking this. Dot, this is the locator. Okay, so now what condition we should put? So here, if this displayed month, displayed month is equal to the target month, this one. If it is equal to the target month, then break the loop. Then break the loop, don't continue, else click on the next button. Click on the next button. Okay, so we have the locator here to click on the next button, this one. Click on the next button. Okay, so once we get the targeted year and targeted month, what we need to do, we need to select the date. Okay, so for that no need to use while loop, so I'll just use after the loop. Okay, okay, after the loop, await frame dot locator. So here I'll use backtick. So what locator I want to do, I want to click on the text, correct? Based on the text I want to select, correct? Text is equal to dollar symbol, this curly braces. I'll copy this variable from here, target day. Okay, this target day, and I will keep this inside the double quote. Okay, dot click. If we get the targeted year and targeted month, then click on the day. Okay, so now let us execute this. Okay, so as we can see, it selected May 2nd and 2026. Okay, okay, so here we gave console, so it's printing the years. Okay, okay, so this is how we can pass the user input and select the dates and month or year based on the user input. Okay, so please do practice, and if you get stuck at any step, you can comment below. Okay, I'll try to address it. Okay, and if you think you learned something from this video, please help me by hitting the like button, and please do subscribe. Okay, thank you so much.